Welcome to this training on Google Classroom. The purpose of this specific training is to talk to you about designing a classroom, not because you want to share it with other students, but because you would like for it to be a resource that houses lessons that you have built either over the last year or over a period of time. Now, I am quite familiar with the fact that you can access all of those resources when you post an assignment, but there are some teachers who would like for those resources to efficiently be stored in one location. Let me model what this looks like. I'm going to scoot all the way down to the bottom because I have a lot of Google Classrooms, and because I have so many Google Classrooms, it's a little bit easier on my brain to store some of these resources in one location. I might design this assignment in Teacher A's classroom or Teacher B or Teacher C, but for my organizational strategies, I like the idea of having everything housed in one spot. So right down here where it says lesson collection, I designed this specific classroom just for the purpose of keeping all of my lessons together in one spot. I'm going to right click, open link. In this space, I'm going to head over to where it says people. And you'll notice right here in people that I have no students, and I'm currently not sharing it with any other teachers. Now, if you choose to share it with other teachers where they are teaching the same grade that you are, then all 3 of you or 4 of you or 5 of you can have access to all of these resources together simultaneously. However, if you choose to keep it just to yourself, that's absolutely fine. You're in charge of who determines what material is in here. Inside of the class workspace, over on the left-hand side, I have created topics. Now, you can create topics for your classroom that are specific to math, science, social studies, computer programming, reading, language arts, etc., so that you can efficiently find those resources or store those in a way that makes sense to you. As I scoot down, I have these different categories and I have the assignments. Now, you're not seeing every single assignment that's available in here because I actually have to click View More, and then sometimes I have to click View More several times again and again in order to see those resources. One tool that I use to find material on this page quickly is that I use Control F for find. And then up at the top, I have no idea if there's anything on here that, oh, you know what, friendly letter. So let me just type the word letter. And then you'll see over here on the right-hand side, there's an orange band indicating that the item I was looking for is located in this specific space. So it's not up here, it's not down here, it's right here. So you'll see that orange band right there. And likewise, right over here, you'll notice that the word is orange. So if I was looking for something specific by name, or maybe by grade level, 06, enter, then all of the items across this page related to 06, I can scoot up and down and you can see how 06 has been illuminated several times. And all of those resources that I wanted to find could be found efficiently. I'm going to click the X right here for the search box to disappear. And now I'm going to go through the process of modeling what it looks like. Scoot over here to where it says classwork for 2nd grade. So I have this classroom already open. It's an old classroom that I used in 16 and 17, but I'm going to model what it looks like to share one of those assignments over here. I'm going to click the Create button. I'm going to choose Reuse Post. Because I have access to, I don't know, I'll say 200 Google Classrooms across the last 5 years. I've worked with a lot of different teachers. It is nearly impossible for me to locate exactly what I'm looking for efficiently. What teacher, what campus, oh my word. So I can do Control F on this screen as well, and I can look for lesson collection. Same strategy all over again. And you'll notice that the word LESS, the shortened part of lesson, appears twice in this space. I'm going to press enter on the keyboard one more time, and bam, all the way down here at the bottom it says lesson collection. I'm going to click on lesson collection one time, and when I go in here, all of the items that are housed inside lesson collection are in this space. And I'm going to try Control F again because maybe I can find that friendly letter assignment. If it does not instantly appear, I'm going to drag this box down so that more content will repopulate. And as it scoots down, I'm eventually going to find that friendly letter assignment. Okay, so I went back up to the top, clicked in the box, pressed enter, and now I have the word letter appearing 3 times. And I can choose from pen pal letter, I can choose from friendly letter, and then inside the instructions it says letter one more time. So let's go ahead and share this assignment. I'm going to click right here on friendly letter one time. I'm going to come all the way down here to where it says reuse. I'm going to click reuse one time. If the original assignment is housed inside of a topic, I may want to omit that topic if that is necessary. I'm the one who determines whether or not it's graded or ungraded. I'm the one who's in charge of determining how many classes it is distributed to, and then I can also determine how many students will receive this assignment. And just like normal, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to determine whether or not I wish to assign that right now, if I want to schedule it for later, or if I would like to save it for a draft. If you choose to share this space with other teachers, there is the possibility that the task would be less daunting for you to copy all of the assignments over to this area. For example, if you have 85 lessons or 150 lessons that you would like stored inside of this lesson collection space, that might feel like a taxing task to reassign all of the assignments to this space over and over again. Because when you arrive here at the beginning, nothing's going to be in here, and you're the one who's going to copy all of those important assignments over here to this space. If you want it to feel less daunting, you can share this space with other co-teachers, and then you can divide and conquer. Teacher A can move the math assignments over. Teacher B can move the science and social studies assignments over. Teacher C can move over some or all of the ELA assignments. So now you're either doing a third of the work or a quarter of the work instead of 100% of the work. And now you have an efficient space where all of those assignments you would like to reuse next year, those can be found easily right here. Team, thank you so much for watching today's training and have a great day.